Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's code with Aarush. My name is Aarush Pal, and without any further ado, let's start with the video. So this is the website in which you have to download Python. The link of it will be shared in the description box. Under downloads, you will see a dialog box, and under that you will see Python 3.9.6, and you will see that the download has begun. After the downloading has been finished, click on it. After clicking on the download, you will see this dialog box. Click continue 3 times and click agree. Now click install here and now give your password. I will give mine and install sign. So you will see this and you will see a file pop-up. After some time you will see this. Now click your Python has been downloaded. So this will conclude for today's video. If you liked it, do hit the like, share, subscribe button and comment.